Gagi pare, maray na aga, maray na bangge, maray na whatever it is. This is your Uragong Broski, Conyo Bicolano, and I'm just so excited. Like, super nangingirhat akong iimbitahan kayo. Tomorrow yan, 1 p.m. sa Provincial Library ng Camarines Norte para umattend ng content creation workshop. It's called Lights, Camera, Action, wherein tuturok-duan ko kayo about my knowledge sa content creation, content curation, public speaking, and its impact sa content creation, social media engagement. Tatarawan din namin kayo ng mga tips and tricks how to start a vlog or how to start your very own content. Gagi pare, huwag kayong matakot and all kung hindi kayo content creator or kung just Gagi pare, nagre-relitong na hindi lang ako kung, enthusiast lang kayo ng content creation kasi this is open for everyone, like, except for taong lipods, of course. So all you have to do is just have an active social media account, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Gagi pare, kahit ano pa yan, basta active yan. And then, kung students ka, kung nagtatrabaho ka, o kung sa tingin mo ito yung calling mo, Gagi pare, I'm gonna wait, like I'm gonna halat for you there. It's gonna be a very maugmang learning session, and I just can't wait na i-share ko yung expertise ko sa inyo and yung newfound love ko, which is content creation. This is organized, of course, by Museo Bulawan. So maraming salamat sa provincial government, of course, ng Camarines Norte for giving me this opportunity na matukduan and ma-share yung knowledge ko sa mga Cam Norteño, sa mga kapwa Cam Norteño ko. So, Gagi pare, I'm gonna see you there. Lights, camera, Gagi pare, action!